Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Yazio app, and you will click in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. And here, if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.